A day at the amusement park is always a delightful adventure. The vibrant colors, cheerful music, and thrilling rides create an atmosphere of pure joy. I want to share one of my recent experiences at the amusement park. I arrived early in the morning, filled with anticipation. The first thing I noticed was the carousel with its beautifully painted horses going up and down. It's a classic ride that brings back childhood memories. I couldn't resist taking a spin. Next, I decided to challenge my fear of heights and hopped on the Ferris wheel. As I ascended, the panoramic view of the park and the surrounding area was breathtaking. It was a moment of calm amidst the excitement. The roller coaster was calling, and I answered. The adrenaline rush as the coaster zoomed through loops and twists was exhilarating. I couldn't help but scream with excitement. I even went on it again. Amusement park food is a unique experience of its own. I indulged in cotton candy, hot dogs, and a refreshing slushie to refuel. It's not a proper amusement park visit without some delicious, albeit not so healthy, treats. Throughout the day, I enjoyed various games and won a stuffed animal at one of the booths. The feeling of accomplishment and the smile on my face were priceless. As the sun began to set, the park transformed with colorful lights and a lively atmosphere. The evening parade was a spectacular sight with illuminated floats and cheerful performers. Leaving the park, I felt a mix of exhaustion and pure happiness. Amusement parks have a magical way of bringing out the child in all of us. It was a day filled with laughter, excitement, and unforgettable memories. If you haven't been to an amusement park lately, I highly recommend it for a day of pure fun and entertainment.